Bad audio that's a non-starter. You can't start with bad audio. It's like if there's anything, if you're going to invest money in any new hardware, you start with a great microphone. You start with a great audio setup, whatever you can do to get high quality audio. And like our new background noise removal in both like Snagit and Camtasia helps with that, but there's no replacement for just good quality audio. And like, yeah, like if you start watching a video and the audio is all garbly and hard to understand, people are out of there, man. They're not going to watch it.